I sold my AMC shares for more than 60% loss. Hi guys, my name is Elia, aka Mr. Paperhands, and everybody knows very well you gotta click that like button and subscribe to my channel so you don't do my mistakes. Let's talk about AMC stock right now. As we all know, AMC and short squeeze saga is back again. Probably GameStop is actually going to $1,000 per share. Don't listen to me, I'm not a financial advisor and this is just my opinion, but look at this. It's crazy. The GameStop went from 300 back to 30s and now back to almost 300 again, and it's trading more and more every day, every trading day. And AMC, as we see, actually went up too. But let's talk about these two stocks, AMC and GameStop. You cannot really compare these two because GameStop has a huge issue. It's the issue in the stock market in general. For some reason, it's not illegal to short more than 100% of stocks. I don't understand why this is legal, because technically, how is it possible that you can short more shares that actually exist right there? This is something that I don't understand, and I don't understand why SEC hasn't fixed it yet. And this is what drives GameStop higher and higher, because the short position is still high up, and this is actually the whole point of a short squeeze, when the stock is so overshorted that people, by pushing the price up, is actually destroying the shorts. And with AMC, we have kind of the same problem, but the thing is, AMC is a very highly shorted stock, but it's not over 100%. So the short squeeze can happen with the AMC, but it never actually supposed to happen with AMC. The whole idea was to short squeeze the GameStop, and then AMC and other companies like Nokia, like BlackBerry, everybody start going to different companies because they want to make money, especially people who actually lost the GameStop, right? So they just try to make some money on other stocks. And this is the issue, because let's say we have 100% of people investing in GameStop, right? So they're driving the price up. And then from 100% people sold it, made money on GameStop, right? And then 10% from that 100% will start buying AMC and Nokia. So instead of 100% investing in GameStop, now 10% is investing in Nokia, 10% is investing in AMC. So the buying power is going down for all stocks. And so it's spreading so much, and AMC and Nokia and BlackBerry were actually the stocks that people just like went there to invest because they're low market capitalization companies. The lower market capitalization company has, the easier to move the price. Nokia somehow end up being in a short squeeze situation, but Nokia has a $20 billion capitalization in comparison with $1 billion for AMC, and Nokia is a big company. So I don't know whose idea was that. Probably people just decided to push something up because it was below $5 per share, but this is not the case. AMC, people pushed high up too because they tried to do a short squeeze, but GameStop stock has been for a while. Short squeeze started happening in 2020, and 2021 actually was the date when short squeeze began, and actually everything just started going crazy. And AMC jumped on the train of a short squeeze a little bit too late, and then we had a situation with Robinhood, with all brokerages, with halting the trade from different brokerages. You could sell but you can't buy, so it was a mess. You probably guys all remember, right? And comment down below if Robinhood and other platforms actually screw you up. It did screw me up. I sold AMC stock with more than 60% of loss. This is something crazy, right guys? And why do I have to sell my stocks and just like cover my losses if it's not my fault? It doesn't matter why brokerages did that, because they have no money, because they have an issue, because they can't pay. How is it my problem? Especially if you're not trading on a margin account. So this is what I still don't understand, but it's over. It's already in the past, so I don't really care about it. But why you shouldn't invest in AMC right now? Because like I said, a lot of people invested in AMC on the high level, and then AMC dipped back to $5 per share, and now it's going up. Yes, there are some positive news in AMC as a business. Almost 90% of theaters are open, but also AMC said that in 2021 we're projecting results compared to 1980s. So yes, in 2021 because Corona is still here. A lot of states actually have restrictions for going out and going to the theaters and restaurants, so they can't really open 100% and they can't really open in fully. So yes, they are opening, but news are not that great. AMC is still doing kind of bad at this point, and we all understand Corona is here, and yes, even with the vaccination, it's not gonna disappear in 2021. It's probably gonna stay with us for a while. And just in general, movie theaters are going down, and with Disney Plus, with Netflix, with Amazon Primes, the movie theaters are definitely not our future, and years over years, the movie theaters will probably just disappear at some point. And like I said, people did invest in AMC on a high level, then it dipped. And as we all know, if it didn't sell, you didn't lose. But now when price is going up, a lot of investors that actually didn't sell because they didn't want to lose money, now when stock is going up and actually coming closer to the buy-in point, they're going to start selling because they probably understand that something bad can happen. That's exactly what happened in February. So let's say if you bought it at 12, then it went down to 6. You're like, okay, I'm going to hold. Now it's back to 12. Instead of you trying to make money and wait for longer and at the same time risk your own money, you would rather sell it at $12 and then you're going to end up making exactly the same money. So you didn't lose, you didn't win, just broke even. And this is the big situation right here. Because right now, as I remember, AMC never went higher than 20 with some change dollars per share. So a lot of people bought it in around 16, 17, 18 dollars, or let's say around $20 per share. So now every single time when AMC will start hitting that prices, people will start selling them so they can make their money back. Yes, you can call them a paper hand, but right now people understand that this is something crazy and you can lose money. You can actually invest a lot more money in stocks like NEO, Tesla, Apple, and you will make money, and you don't even have to risk your own money to invest in stocks like AMC. The only one short squeeze stock, if you guys want to risk your money for a huge reward, you can look at GameStop, because GameStop actually represents the whole idea of a short squeeze with a over 100% short interest, and just in general, GameStop is the one that you want to look at. AMC definitely is done. In my opinion, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but if you just made your money back, congratulations, you didn't lose anything, just invest in something else. Yes, of course, everybody wants to make quick money, but quick money will put your money at risk, and this is not a gambling. Sure, the AMC is over for me, in my opinion, and if you want to make money from short squeeze, you definitely don't want to invest in AMC. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe people will make millions and millions of dollars like they did with GameStop, but I doubt it. And comment down below if you think that I'm wrong, that I have no idea what I'm talking about, and just hit that like button if you think I'm right, and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we'll see you soon, guys. Take care.